Hello friends, welcome here. I am Payal from Techizone Computer Education. In this video, I am going to answer the top 3 questions asked about Python. What is Python? Why it is so popular? What can we do with it? The very first, Python is the world's fastest growing and most popular programming language. Python is used by software engineers, mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, and network engineers. Even kids like to learn and play with Python by making small games for themselves. I'm not sure about it if you people know or not that many primary schools of UK are training their kids in Python programming. Here is a list of various disciplines where Python is used. Software developers use Python in various software and web applications, for mobile and desktop applications, even for software testing. Scientists and mathematicians are utilizing Python for their tough calculations, artificial intelligence, and robotics. Accountants and data scientists are using Python for data analysis. It's also used in image processing and image recognition. I think there is no field left where Python can't be used. If you people want to know about these fields in detail, then either Google it or wait for our next videos. Here are some Python libraries and frameworks that Python provides us to work in different applications. Like for data science, we need matplotlib, pandas, numpy, scipy. For game development, pygame, panda3d, kiwi, pycara are main libraries. For web development, Django, turbogears, Flask, Bottle, CherryPy, Falcon are some of the famous frameworks. Guys, this list is very long. It's not possible to cover all the libraries and frameworks here, as there are more than 130,000 Python libraries present till now. Now the question arises, we can do all this stuff with other programming languages too. Then why Python? Reason behind is this, that it solves the complex problems in very less time and fewer lines of code. Let's see it with an example. Here the example is that we have to swap two variables. On the left, code is written in Java, and on the right the code is written in Python. Approximately 10 lines of code in Java, but only with 3 lines of code in Python it is done. While developing huge softwares, when we need thousands of lines of code, with Python it becomes very compact and easy. This is not only one, but there are many other reasons also to choose Python over other programming languages. It's a high-level programming language. All the features of a procedure-oriented, object-oriented, and a scripting language are covered in Python. It has a huge community. Whenever you do work on a project and get stuck in between, there is always someone there to help you out. It's a cross-platform programming language. As one app developed in one operating system, say in Windows, it works very fine on any other platform, whether it is Linux or Mac. It has a large ecosystem, and there is a collection of many libraries, modules, and frameworks to help us. So in a nutshell, we can say that Python is a multi-purpose language with a simple, clean, and beginner-friendly syntax. Technically, everything you do with Python, you can do with other programming languages too. But Python's simplicity and elegance has made it grow way more than other programming languages. Hope you guys understand the power of Python, how effective this language is. That's all for this session. See you in next videos. Guys, if you found this video helpful, then please support us by liking and sharing it with others. And also be sure to subscribe our channel to see upcoming tutorials from us. Thanks.